Okay. Advanced partner chest. Okay, now we have 12 on it. Okay, let's see what we're gonna get. I'm hoping to get maybe Zenbon Sakura super rare, Yorimaru or Sorino Shirayuki. Yeah. What else? Zangetsu is really big. Uh, but I don't know. Let's see what we get. Hope it's SR. I have only SR con. So here we go. La 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 la. Suzuki Wachi rare. Not what we are looking for. Rare. Where is super rare? Zangetsu rare. Wachi. Yorin Maru rare. Yes! What we are hoping for. Thank you, thank you. Rare. Suzuki Wachi. Rare. Zangetsu. Rare. Zangetsu. Rare. Sengon Sakura. On. Zangetsu again. Sode no Shirayuki. Oh, she did rare. Yes! Super rare. Oh, rare. I want Sode Shirayuki. Super rare. Come on, baby. Come on. Come to Papa. Zangetsu rare. Suzumi Bachi rare. Suzumi Bachi rare. Yorin Maru rare. See what we get? Advanced partner chest. 3. Okay. Sode no Yoro Shirayuki rare. Sode no Shirayuki rare also. Kon! What are you doing here? Wow, super rare Zangetsu. Yorin maru rare. Yan bun zago. Boy, super rare. Yes, so nice. Zangetsu.